What's up guys, I'm Daniel Lewis, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we're going to go through a cheeky little YouTube checklist for you. I have all the notes right here, loads and loads of information to break down to allow you to be successful on YouTube and have a strong channel from the beginning. So let's go. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, leave a like for other videos like this, and also any questions you have throughout this video, scroll down to the comment section below, leave them, and I'll try my best to answer as many as I possibly can. I do usually get back to most of them. So without further ado, we can now get into this video. So step number one with your channel. At this point, I already assume you've already created your channel. You've created a Gmail, you've got an account ready, you've got a name, and now you're completely fresh from this point on. So that is where we're starting off. So channel branding is where we're gonna start. We need to start with a logo and a banner. Now, this to me is actually one of the most least important parts to your journey, because I guarantee at some point in your journey you're going to change the logo and you're going to change the banner. But we want something there now to present your channel in a professional way, just to look more appealing to your new viewers and your subscribers. As I said, it's not that important, so we don't really have to worry about this. We just need something really basic as your logo and your banner, but something that you might keep for a little while, just so that way your subscribers know your channel from when they just see your logo or they see your banner. So the best way to do this is hop onto Canva. You don't even have to use a pro version, use a basic version, and just change some of the lettering in some of the logos. Rob that, stick it on, and do the same with banners. Now, if you're going to go a little bit more professional and customize it completely, I recommend getting Canva Pro. That's what I use, or even just hopping onto Fiverr and paying someone to make your logo and banner if you really can't be bothered. But it is really easy with just basic Canva. Hop down into the squat position here. So you've now got your logo and your banner from Canva or Fiverr, or even create it yourself in Photoshop, whatever it is. All you got to do is press on your channel, press customize channel, click on branding. There you can edit your logo and your banner to stick it into your channel, and now look, you look really nice and professional to people, and it's not took you much effort at all. But in that section as well, you can also add your watermark, which will go in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. And if you put that through the entirety of your video, like I do, you'll see it in my videos, when someone presses that, they can actually subscribe from there while also watching the video, which just gives you more chance of having people that are viewing your videos to subscribe to your channel. So I highly recommend sticking that in there as well. Now, if this video has helped at all, and it's still helping right now, don't forget to drop a like on this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and any questions you have, put in the comment section below. I'm happy to help. Now let's carry on with the video. So next thing we're going to do is get our channel description ready. Now, if you don't know what channel description is, it's pretty much just a little piece of information in the about section of your channel that just tells people what your channel is all about. Now, this section, usually in my opinion, is actually overlooked by a lot of people, and people usually just put, hi, I'm, let's say, Daniel Lewis, this is my channel, please subscribe. Don't do that. What we want to actually do with this section is actually describe what the channel is about. Go into some effort, take a little bit of time to explain to people what your channel has to offer, what kind of content to expect, and make sure you use specific keywords within that. So for example, my channel is all about YouTube growth, making money on YouTube. I make sure that I mention that in my about section, because if someone types it in, or you know, at some point my channel could possibly pop up in the search bar. It just gives YouTube algorithm another reason and another way of knowing what my channel is all about. So now, obviously, I put it into my video descriptions, I put it into my titles, put it into my tags, and now I've also got it in my about section. So 100% get down to doing that. Simple keyword research is very easy. You can do it just by going into the search bar on YouTube and literally just typing in whatever your niche is about, taking some of the most popular search terms, make sure you put it in your about section. Again, I do recommend using TubeBuddy. I use TubeBuddy as well to do that. It's a cheap service that helps you with YouTube SEO, so search engine optimization on YouTube, and also keywords and key phrases to allow for YouTube growth and allow you to get the best possible chance of getting your videos and channel seen. Welcome to the stairs, the humble abode. Anyway, next step is actually home page setup. Now, this is something that's very simple but very effective, and just makes your channel present and look so much more professional. Don't forget, this whole YouTube thing and trying to go on YouTube is actually a business, and you need to look at it in that way. You need to look at it as you are trying to present yourself professionally to your audience, to give them more of a reason to subscribe, and also just make it easier in general to navigate your channel. So again, this is another really easy one to do. All you got to do is click on your channel, click customize channel, and there you'll see two options. You'll see a video for new subscribers and a video for returning subscribers. What you want to do is in your new video, when someone clicks on your channel that isn't already subscribed, this video is going to pop up. So you want this video to be either one of your most popular videos or a video that represents your channel in the best possible way. Also a video that might actually keep the audience and really retain them to either watch that video or stay in your channel. So it needs to be a video as well that has a really high audience retention rate. So if it's one of the videos that gets a lot of people staying and watching the whole video, it's probably a good idea to put it on as your channel trailer, because a lot of people are going to stay and watch the video once they click on your channel, which again could either turn into more likes or even possibly the end result, a subscriber. Then the second video, that option, that's for people that have now subscribed and returned back to your channel. So let's say someone subscribed today, tomorrow they come back to your channel by typing in whatever your name is. That video will then pop up and start playing, and again, you want it to be something similar, another video that's really good, that represents your channel, but maybe something that relates to the first video. So they might have came to your channel, seen your trailer, thought, oh, I like this, gonna subscribe, I'll come back tomorrow, come back the day after, and again it's a video now that relates back to that video, or it could just be a really good video. Whatever it is, really, it doesn't matter too much, but they need to be high quality, high content videos. It's, for example, if you have a portfolio and you're a graphic designer, you're not going to put your worst piece of art for the first one for people to see. It's going to be the best possible one you're going to have presented there in front of people. Okay, so that's what you need to be doing with your channel too. So the next one on the checklist is actually channel links. These links can be anything you want at all, and it's just ways of either getting your subscribers to other platforms, or if you're selling products or affiliating it for other products, whatever it is, just a great way of having them again presenting in front of your audience, and then at some point, you know, you might get a chance of people clicking them and either buying the products or going to your other social media account. All you got to do for this is go again to customize channel, go to basic info, scroll to the bottom, and you'll see add links. All you got to do is copy and paste either your Instagram links in there, your affiliate links, whatever it is, and what will happen is you can see it says top 5 links. All you got to do is once you put your links into the boxes, it will pop up on your banner. So when people again come to your channel for the first time, they'll see them links at the top right of your banner. And that way, again, it's just having other people funnel into other directions, and it just makes your channel look, again, even more professional to your new audience. One last time, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and comment any questions you have. Peace. The next one is playlists. Now, playlists is so easy to do, and it is a must for anyone's channel. The reason as to why, it's going to make it 10 times easier for your new audience or old audience, whatever it is, to just navigate your channel. For example, I'm going to have videos that might be how to grow on YouTube, YouTube tips, how to make money on YouTube, and these are 3 separate subjects, and it's not fair for my audience for me just to put them all in one place and they have to try and salvage through all my content. Say I've got 200, 300 uploads, they now have to try and look through all them uploads to find which content they want, whereas I put it into playlists, it makes it a lot easier. I guarantee your audience will thank you for that. Also, it could even equivalent to more views, because you could have all the content they want, but if you're not putting it all into a playlist, they can't find it on your channel, especially if you have a lot of videos. So doing that will help you, and also it's just another opportunity for, again, YouTube SEO, the algorithm, because if you have them all in one playlist and it's how to grow on YouTube, that playlist could pop up in a search term, and again, someone watches all your videos, it gains loads of views, gains more interaction, gains more subscribers. That's what we want. So playlist is a flipping must. Now the last but most definitely not least tip is auto video description. Now this isn't a must. Trust me, you don't need to do this. It's just gonna make it a lot easier for you. It's gonna save you a lot of time when you are creating each individual video. So auto video description, what is it actually going to do? So pretty much, let's say you have specific links or you write specific things within your description. For example, I have my affiliate links to Amazon for all my camera gear, and I have a disclaimer in there, and there's other things that I put in there, and rather than me copying and pasting it out of old videos or retyping it every time I write my description, I just have that automatically set, so that way I don't have to keep redoing it, and it just saves me a bunch of time. I didn't know about this until pretty recent, and I was retyping or copy and pasting every time. It was just a pain in the backside. So this just saved me, I mean, it's not a crazy amount of time, but it's definitely saved me a decent amount of time, especially when it takes me so long to obviously record the videos, edit the videos, prepare the videos, and actually upload the videos, do a bit of keyword research on the videos. You know, just that one little extra thing can help, and it's great. So doing that will be a massive help. It's very, very simple. All you have to do is then put whatever it is that you want to put in your description every single video. type it in there, and then that is it. Every single time you then upload a video, that will automatically be put into the description for you. You can even auto do tags as well, so if you are uploading the exact same content all the time, apart from obviously sometimes you might be tweaked slightly, you can just automatically put tags in there as well, which is just great. Anything that makes things easier, I love. But that is it for this video. I hope the video has helped you. Don't forget to drop a like, don't forget to subscribe, and also any questions you have, don't forget to drop them in the comment section below. It's been your boy Daniel, I hope this helps, peace.